Find or read reviews that people are talking about Rockville PS20 channel, ATV, UTV, motorcycle Bluetooth micro amplifier. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. High performance sound. Delivers 150 watts RMS per channel, providing clear, powerful sound for outdoor adventures. Perfect for adding audio to your off-road vehicles, motorcycles, and more. Bluetooth connectivity. Easily connect your smartphone, tablet, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices to stream music wirelessly. No need for complex wiring, just connect and enjoy your favorite tunes. Weatherproof design. IP65 rated protection ensures durability in harsh outdoor conditions, including water and dust resistance. This amp is built to withstand the elements, making it ideal for rugged use on motorcycles, ATVs, and UTVs. Compact and versatile. Its small size allows for easy installation in tight spaces, while the mounting hardware lets you securely attach the amplifier to your vehicle. Compatible with a wide range of audio systems and speakers. Easy to install. The Rockville PS20 features simple wiring and installation, making it user-friendly for those who want to enhance their vehicle's audio experience without hassle. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.